Hey, hey guys, welcome back. So today we're searching up fidgets. So maybe we could buy some. So the cheapest one in here was, I thought, was this one. I thought this one was the cheapest one, £1.84. But after realising, I go all the way over here. 99 pence is the cheapest one. But then I thought £1.03 was the cheapest one. But yeah, so basically we can't find any we can't find anything for what? No, because look how much shipping it is. That's a lot. 81 pence. But yeah, I guess we can't find any unless, yeah, half of these stores don't even. Yeah, but this is, if you guys have any American recommendations, can you go on comment on our latest videos. But bye guys, this is person number 1. Go watch the